Welcome back, scientists. Yesterday, you were looking at a Rube Goldberg machine, and you were making observations about it. Remember, we're thinking about how does energy work, and what is it created? Is it destroyed? Is it changed? What happens to it? And so you're making some observations. Today, day 2, April 21st, we're going to start asking questions. This is always the second thing we try to include into a lab at school. What questions do we have? Now over here, below What Do You Wonder, I have one of my favorite of all time Rube Goldberg machine videos. It's by a musical group called OK Go, and they make several music videos, all with Rube Goldberg machines. So check this out, and if you like this, check out other videos that they have as well. So hopefully now you're starting to ask yourself, how can you make a Rube Goldberg machine, or how do they work? So we're asking those questions. To help us with the answers to that, step 3 here says, read the Wonderopolis article, What is a Rube Goldberg Machine? So I'm going to click on that. The last unit, I had several people say, they tell me how much they like the Rube Goldberg, they like the Wonderopolis article. So I have that here today. I've included one I found. And again, just like the last one, you can listen to it with this button right here. What is a Rube Goldberg machine? And we have some more videos. This is actually another OK Go video you can watch. And over here we have some drawings, Rube Goldberg drawings, and some actual pictures of people doing, making Rube Goldberg machines. And this article, as you can see here, is really short. You're going to see a lot of words and vocabulary we've been using. But I wanted to scroll down and show you that down here at the bottom, if you are interested after you read this, it has some ideas of things you can try out. Some of them are kind of fun. So if you find you have some extra time on your hands, not going anywhere, check out this try it out section. Okay, so reading the article. Now read that carefully, because when you go back over here, I have the scientific question form. The scientific question form, I'll click on it, has questions questions that go along with the article. So once you get into it, here's some of the questions. What is a Rube Goldberg machine? What science degree did Rube Goldberg earn from the University of California at Berkeley? In the Webster Dictionary, what does the adjective Rube Goldberg mean? And where would you need to go to attend the National Rube Goldberg Machine Contest? So all of those answers are in the reading, okay? When you finish that, I want you to start investigating and finding Rube Goldberg videos that you like. I told you this is my favorite one right here. I put this on in what's called an 8J YouTube Science playlist. And so if you find, when you find one, I want you to either add it to this playlist here by clicking on the link, or email me your link to it and I'll add it for you. And then tomorrow, let's go to that, go to tomorrow, day 3. Day 3, we're going to start talking about what do you think? What do you think makes Rube Goldberg machines work? Okay, so this is April 22nd, and by April 22nd, we'll have hopefully several videos linked to the playlist here, and you can click on that, and you don't have to watch all of the videos, but scroll through them and find 3 or 4 that you're interested in, and hopefully they'll give you some ideas of things you can do later on. We're already starting to think about what can you do later on when you make your Rube Goldberg machine. Now on day 3, there's no form for you to fill out, but there is an Ed puzzle. The Ed puzzle isn't linked to this slideshow, so you have to go to Google Classroom, and you'll find it's called Energy Transformation, and it's a short video that I think it's about 2 minutes long, and it has 8 or 9 questions that go along with it, all about how energy can be transformed. And that's a really key key concept that I want everybody to understand from this Rube Goldberg machine, transferring energy from one machine to another, from one form to another. Okay, so for day 3, Ed puzzle will be in Skyward. I want to just make sure I explain that carefully. And then on day 2, going back to day 2, the scientific question form is going to be what you'll see in Skyward the next day, so that you can keep track of your progress. All right, when the next video, we'll talk about day 4.